Hello, success people. Today I would like to show you the way how you can make Siri say whatever you want. Here, the application that you need is a shortcuts application. Swap your screen into the left side so you will find the app library, and then you just need to tap to shortcuts to open the application. Right after that, you just need to go click this shortcuts or in the automation, but I will suggest you into the shortcuts one. And the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the all shortcuts, go into this plus button, and then you just need to go click add action. In this add action, you just need to type text. My bad. Okay, now you just need to go tap into the speak text. The next thing you need to do is just adding the question by click there's rename into the title, and then you just need to type to the questions that you want to ask to Siri. Let's say like, who is he? And then you want to get the answer for he is the one. Now whenever you got them, just go click done. Now you already have this automation, and if you want to check the voice, go click this play button.
He is the one.
Right after you satisfied with the result, you just need to go back into your home screen, and then you just need to call the Siri like, hi Siri, and then you just need to add the question, mention the question like, hi Siri, who is he? And then the Siri will answer just the same with the text that you just input into the shortcuts. So that's for today's tutorial. You can try it. If it doesn't work, you can just drop the into the comment sections below. So if you still have some question, also tap into the comment. Don't forget to leave some likes and turn on the notification to get more tips for your iPhone. So that's for today, and thank you.